Alright, hello guys, welcome back. Today is April 2nd, Thursday. Just a quick recap of what happened today. And, you know, uh, I'm not gonna do too much of an outlook for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Good Friday. We do still have NFP, but I don't, I don't, I'm not looking for trading it or anything. But yeah, let's just look at what happened. Essentially, last night we got that news. Trump was speaking, and it really was nothing. Nothing interesting. Nothing was said. I mean, it was interesting how the markets reacted to it, and it was pretty bearish. But I mean, all he really said is stuff we already knew. He said that it's stuff they've already mentioned before. I don't want to say stuff we knew because he went and said that they were very successful in the war, which I don't agree with, and it doesn't sound like they are. Uh, but yeah, I mean, he went and said a bunch of stuff that was already understood amongst Americans. Maybe this could be just be seen as more reason to do a ground invasion. I'm not too sure. Maybe that's why we reacted like that, or maybe they just don't trust anything he says anymore. Hey, I don't know. But yeah, after we got that, I actually looked for longs this morning, and it was nothing. It was just like a paper trade long, but essentially we had sweep of lows. I took it on YM, so I can pull up my execution or this one execution marks right here. Yeah, it was just a paper trade long, but I entered 46 189, so I entered around here. My stop was my stop was down here, and I entered right around here. Stop down here, and then I just targeted this FEG right here. Could have targeted equal highs, looking back at it, even maybe this one, even though we didn't get it, but it was still a nice little 2.5 R trade. And I am bearish still, but I I really I really don't want to short here. There's not enough confirmation, and also didn't want to long here because I wouldn't want to take a trade on an actual account is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I like I've mentioned, I've been actively looking for bearishness, but we haven't gotten confirmation to be bearish. I mean, even if you look at ZB itself was also bullish, and it was also showing bullish signals, bullish structure. So do, I really didn't, yeah, I didn't short anything. I didn't really want to look for longs either. So I was just experimenting on a paper trade account. Um, and this could be mostly because of the dollar, what it was doing today. Pretty much consolidated. We didn't get much. We wanted to see bullishness on dollar, but we saw bearishness to consolidated. Um, so that could be something that was holding everything back. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. For NFP, maybe we do get bearishness. I'm not too sure. Maybe we use NFP to take us lower, but the markets are going to be closed. The stock market's going to be closed, so we'll have 8:30 news and then 1 hour of trading, and then the markets will be closed. So I don't really think it'll be a good day. Yeah, so enjoy your long weekend. Please take care, be safe.